Okay, before we start, let us know what is the mean value theorem for integrals. The mean value theorem for integrals tell us that for a continuous function or the f of x, there are at least one point or the c inside the interval of a and b, at which the value of the function will equal the value of the function over that interval. And here is the formula for the mean value theorem. The f of c equals to 1 over b minus a times the definite integral of f of x dx from a to b. The statement also says that the average value of the function is equal to the f of c or the mean value for integrals. Some textbooks also denote this as average value of a function is equal to f of c, and it is also equal to 1 over b minus a times the definite integral of f of x dx from a to b. And here in the mean value theorem for integrals, we are looking for the value of c or the point c, which says that it is in the inside of the interval of the point b and point a. Okay, I have here an example so you can understand it more. Okay, this is the first example. Let f of x equals 5x raised to 4 plus 2. Determine c such that f of c is the average value of a function on negative 1 and 2. Okay, again, we are using our formula for the mean value for integral, which is the f of c equals 1 over b minus a times the integral of f of x dx from a to b. And we will going to substitute the numbers or the coefficients. So it will become f of c equals 1 over the b, which is 2, minus a, which is the negative 1, times the integral of 5x to the 4th plus 2 dx from negative 1 to 2. And by getting the derivatives of the function, it will become f of c equals 1/3 times x to the 5th plus 2x from negative 1 to 2. And again, by substituting the lower limit and the upper limit, it will become f of c equals 1/3 times 2 raised to 5 or to 5th plus 2 times 2 minus the quantity of negative 1 to the 5th plus 2 times negative 1. Putting it all in a calculator, our answer will be f of c equals 15. So our average value of this function is 15. But going back to the question, we are looking for the c, which lies on the inside of point A and point B. So by getting it, we will use our function, the 5x raised to 4 plus 2. But we will substitute the x to c because we are looking for the value of c. So it will become 5c raised to 4 plus 2 equals 15. The 15 comes from our answer earlier. Then we will put the 2 to the other side. So it will become 5c raised to 4 equals 15 minus 2. And then the answer again is 5c raised to 4 equals 13. And we will divide both sides by 5. So the coefficient of c will diminish. And the answer will become c raised to 4 equals 13 over 5. And putting both sides a fourth root, the raised 4 of our variable, which is c, will be eliminated or cancelled. Then the answer will become c equals fourth root of 13 over 5. Then putting again it to our calculator, the answer will become C equals 1.26982. So, therefore, our C lies on the inside of A and B. So, it means the answer we get in this function is correct. I hope the listeners understand what is the mean value theorem for integrals. Thank you for listening.